teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to play Love Me Tender in a very easy way. Okay, left hand should be a single note only. The left hand is the one that has box. And the note here on the G clef part was the right hand part. Okay, let's start playing it. C chord. Let's play it single note at first. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, G. First note with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, C2, D, C, D, A, D. And here, C, B, A, G, B, same C, C, very good. Okay, next C chord again. C, B, C, right. G, C, B, C, D, A, D, D again. C, B, A with a G chord, B, then C, C, 2, 3, 4, then E, note here, E, 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 then E, 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 F, F again, E, D, C, D. Okay, E with the C chord. E, 2, 3, 4. E, E, F, E, B, A, D. They were here already. C, B, G chord. A, B. Okay, here. C chord, C note. C. And then verse again. G, C, B, C, D, A, D, then D minor. C, B, A, B, C, the same C. Then C chord again. C, I, G, C, B, C. Then D chord. D, A, D. D minor chord. C, B, A, B. C, 2, 3, 4. So we're here. Left hand is C, E, A minor, C, F, F minor, C. Okay, ready. E, 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 E. Then here, F chord. E, D minor, C, D, 2, 3, 4, last line, E, E, F, E, D chord, D, A, D, D minor chord, B, C, B, E, D, C. Okay. A very simple version, easy way to play La Mi Tender in piano. Thank you for watching. If you like my video music tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and also comment below. And also hit the notification button so you will be notified whenever I upload a music tutorial video. Your like, subscription, and comment will make a huge encouragement for me to pursue my music tutorial channel here in YouTube. And also, I will make a 30 music tutorial videos for 30 days starting today. And the next uploads after 30 music tutorial would be only twice or once a week. Thank you very much for watching.